Hi everybody, welcome back to our first 2020 video.
Hi.
We
Thank
definitely
you so
rehearsed that a lot more. But anyway.
It never comes out the same.
No.
So anyway, first and foremost, we wanted to thank everybody for the love and support we received during O'Neill's recovery. That really helped, I think, make a difference in the healing process. So that, and we truly thank all of our existing subscribers and super excited to have our new subscribers.
Yeah, we definitely do. I'm super happy to be back, to be able to start walking and start putting stuff together and a bunch of little ideas. And this is one idea that I've been working on it for a little while. And obviously, I was so excited that I couldn't help myself, and I had already put out like a small video just to show you guys what was coming. And yeah, here it is. This is the 10 liter or 2.5 gallon Jerrycan mini bar. Yeah. So there's a bunch of people out there who have great videos and using the much larger, right? Don't drop it. Much larger Jerrycan. Now this one, as you can see, they look very similar. Obviously, it's bigger. This one empty is 10 pounds, where this one's full is about 13 to 14 pounds. So you can just imagine once you fill this thing up. Not only that,
it's huge.
It's huge. It's there's really no place to put it.
I mean, the whole idea is to have it very portable. So,
correct.
Maneuvers a lot better when you're carrying it around a little.
Yeah.
And it fits everything you need, which is the most important part. I mean, you have everything you need inside.
Correct. Yeah. Let me show you a picture how it looks inside, because I chose this one because I had a specific spot, and yeah, let me show you. It's right here. And so yeah, let me open it. Oops, right here. Oh, and it has a little matching.
My favorite part.
Yeah.
The little flask.
Yeah.
Jerrycan flask.
Yeah, I did the same wrapping on the handle on this one as I did on this one. Again, it's just a small thing. It's not meant to carry you for a whole month. It's just a weekend thing. You definitely hold some cigars, a couple glasses. If you want to measure, we have a little measuring shot glass here. Whatever bottle you can hold. Obviously, you cannot handle a big bottle. This is just for the little weekend, but it is
weekend day.
Yeah. This one is actually lucky number 7, and I'm keeping it. I made 7 with this one. 2 of them completely destroyed. 3 other ones I hid away because they were just not perfect.
They weren't nice, so we gave them away.
Correct. Number 6 has sold. Someone really liked it. And this one.
Number 7's the best, so we're keeping it.
Yeah. A couple defects on it, that's why I'm keeping it. So and the next ones, I'll make sure I correct those defects. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. It was a lot of fun to make. It's about, how much of this money? I think we spent. I think it's about $50 to $80 each can, depending on what kind of wood you use. This one's all made out of oak inside, and then everything else is just stuff I bought on eBay. But if you're interested, let me know. Leave a comment, and I will give you guys all this stuff that I use, which is not Home Depot and eBay. That's pretty much everything here. So
the most tricky part was just getting cutting it next to the edges, right?
Yeah. But we already had some experience ruin them.
Trial and error.
Yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a little bit grainy because I didn't have the lighting in my garage. It wasn't perfect. It's a garage. Since then, I definitely.
But it was awesome recording.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, she did the recording. But since then, I added more lights. So I think the future videos, a little future projects will look a little bit better. So enjoy. Alright, so at this point I am done with all the wood. So this is the base. So this right here will be your base. Like that. And this one is one wall here. This one is the other wall right here. And this one is one in the middle. And the other one is here. And the other one goes there. Just like that. And then I'm going to build the shelves. There's 1, 2, 3 shelves. Then I do the hinges, the door, and that's pretty much it. So it's taking shape. Now, if you're wondering what this is, it's a electricity motor with a screw going in, a can of crackers upside down, piece of wood, and that is my little display there.
Well, this is the conclusion of our Jerrycan Bar video. We hope you like it. I know we do. So, and we want to thank all of our existing subscribers. We feel very fortunate to have you, and very lucky to have all of our new subscribers. This is just the first of many DIY projects to come this year. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, hit that bell.